हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टेज क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस वन के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। प्लस वन में चैप्टर 5 लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी इज गोइंग ऑन दिस चैप्टर। टुडे इज द लेक्चर नंबर 4। 3 lecture have been done on this chapter 5. This is the fourth lecture and up to exercise 5.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 एनसीईआरटी बुक से वो कंप्लीट हो गया है सॉल्यूशन एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन। आज हम 21 से ऑनवर्ड क्वेश्चन करते हैं। ओके, नाउ कम वेलकम क्वेश्चन 21। लेट अस डू। Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first two unit tests. Find the minimum marks he should get in third test to have an average of at least 60. At least 60 marks. At least word का मीनिंग कम से कम, घट्टो घट, उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं। कम से कम कितने मार्क्स आएंगे तुम्हारे? 60। एवरेज उनका कम से कम 60 हो जाए तीनों टेस्ट का। ओके, तो क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टूड। नाउ according to the question solution is that third test marks equal to x. So according to question, average of all three tests, then 70 plus 75 plus x, sum of the all three test marks divided by 3. This is the average of the all three test marks. This is given at least means कम से कम 60 से ज़्यादा भी आ सकते हैं। ओके, कम से कम, then more than and equal. Understand? More than equal to 60. At least का मतलब greater than and equal. At least means greater than and equal. Because कम से कम ये है, उससे ज़्यादा भी, तो equal and more than that. So that's why this. Be careful about it. Now simplify. Then 5, 7 plus 7, 14 plus x is equal greater than and equal 60. So 3 6 are 80. 3 will go and multiply in right hand side. Done. Simple, very simple. Then x value at least 180 minus 145. Okay, minus 145. Then 35 equal to 35. This is 35. Okay, so this implies x greater than and equal 35. So minimum at least 60 है। What is asking? Minimum marks. So minimum कितने हैं? Greater than and equal 35. तो minimum 35. So minimum. Okay बेटा? Minimum marks in third test. Minimum marks in third test. Okay बेटा, in third test equal to 35 and more than and equal 35, so equal 35 minimum हो गया आंसर। ओके, like this you can do. Next question. Yes बेटा, next question, question number 22. What is this? Statement questions are there. We have to make inequation. Now question 22 is in NCERT book to receive grade टू रिसीव ग्रेड ए इन ए कोर्स, किसी कोर्स में ए ग्रेड रिसीव प्राप्त करने के लिए वन मस्ट ऑब्टेन एन एवरेज ऑफ 90 मार्क्स, कोई एक 90 मार्क्स ऑब्टेन जरूरी है, मस्ट है, यानी मिनिमम 90 जरूरी है, और मोर तो मीन्स ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 90 to get the A grade in any course. Okay, now after that, saying that in 5 examination each of 100 marks, 5 एग्जाम है उनमें सभी में A ग्रेड करने के लिए, ओके, ऑब्टेन एन एवरेज 90 से ग्रेटर या 90 सभी का, 5 के 5 टेस्ट का। इफ Sunita's marks in first 4 examinations are given according to question. What is given? A grade. For getting A grade, average must be greater than equal to 90. Average. Okay. Average of 5. Yes. Now this at least 90 marks average in all 5 papers in that course. So that's why here greater than equal to 90, because at least 90 marks average of all the 5. So all 5 means average of 5 tests, 5 paper. कोर्स में 5 पेपर हैं, ओके, उनका एवरेज अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, एवरेज ऑफ 5, और उनमें से 5 टेस्ट में से हाउ मेनी टेस्ट, 4 टेस्ट एग्जाम, टेस्ट मार्क्स गिवन, 4 एग्जामिनेशन, 87, 92, 94, 87 एवरेज प्लस 92 plus 97 plus 4 tests given, 95, 4 test marks given to get by Sunita. Okay, so now find minimum marks that Sunita must obtain in 5th exam. Let in 5th exam, let Sunita, any participant, let Sunita get marks in 5th examination. Okay, if this exam equal to x मार्क्स हमने मान लिया तो यहाँ प्लस x, ओके बेटा, and divide by sum of all 5, average formula, sum of all the items divide by how many number of items are there, how many are there, 5, divide by 5. This is more than and equal to 90 given. According to this given, according to question, we have made this in equation. Now add here 7 plus 5, 12, 12 to 14, 14 and 7, 21. 2 carry, 9 plus 2, 11, 11, 9, 20, 29, 29 and 8, 37. Plus x is equal 90 into 5, greater than and equal. Greater than and equal 90 into 5, 450. Okay. Clear beta? Now simple, very simple, simplify, then x will be equal to greater than and equal, sorry, 450, and it will go in minus that side, minus 371. Done. So x greater than and equal, subtract 10 minus 1, 9, 14 minus 7, 7, then 3 minus 3, 79 marks. So more than and equal 79. Asking what asking here? Sunita must obtain in fifth examination to get a grade. Minimum marks. So minimum marks. This implies minimum marks is equal to 79. Because greater than and equal 79. So minimum इतने चाहिए to get the A grade. Minimum marks to get A grade. Understand? According to question we have that here. To get here grade A. To get grade A. Here marks 79 marks. Okay, so like this question easy to do. Done. Okay. Next. Yes, beta. Next question 23rd from NCERT book. What is 23rd in exercise 5.1? It is find all pairs of consecutive or positive integers. Pair consecutive or positive integer. Let one odd positive is x, the next consecutive will be odd x plus 2. So let, according to question, let one positive odd, let one positive odd number be x. So consecutive odd equal x plus 2, because एक कोई और नंबर है जैसे 5 है तो नेक्स्ट कॉन्जिक्यूटिव मींस नेक्स्ट लगातार आगे वाला कॉन्जिक्यूटिव, तो 5 से 7 है और ओके, तो और नंबर में 2 ऐड होता है, तो अगर x ओड है, इफ x ओड, तो नेक्स्ट विल बी x plus 2. डन. ओके बेटा, दिस तो ये पेयर हो गया. तो पेयर according to question, pair x comma x plus 2. This is odd pair, consecutive odd numbers pair. Okay, okay. According to question 23, both of which are smaller than 10. According to question, both are smaller than 10. So x भी smaller than 10 है, and both means and x plus 2 also less than 10. तो x plus less than 10 है तो कितना बन गया, x less than 8. ओके बेटा, x less than 10, x less than 8 and less than 10, and common क्या बच गया? दिस implies क्या बनता है? लेस देन 8 ओड तो लेस देन 8 का मतलब 7, ओके, 5, ओके, 3 odd, 7, 5, 3 and odd 1 is odd. These possible. This is x, value of x. X value these possible. 7 possible. Less than 10, x plus 2 तो 9 less than 10. ठीक है बेटा, x plus 2 9 हो सकता है. तो x is possible. Less than 8. x less than 10 and less than 8. तो कॉमन इनमें less than 8 चाहिए. तो less than 8 this. This is the most important. Okay. Now after that, what asking in this question? Such that their sum is more than 11. ये fix कर दिया. And sum more than 11. X plus 2 more than 11, greater than 11. This is saying, okay, some more than 11 or smaller, but some more than 11. So more than 11 का meaning solve किया. So 2x more than 11 minus 2, 9. X more than 9 upon 2. This implies more than 9 upon 2. xt value, so 9 upon 2 is 4.5, but odd integer, odd number greater than 4.5, and 5, 7, 9 and so on. But equation 1 x value, equation 2 x value, what are the common from first and second? First and second, we get x values. What? देखिए यहाँ 5, 7, 9 and so on. यहाँ 7, 5, 3, 1. तो only common in both 5 and 7. So 5, 7. These two values are possible. Okay. So this implies, therefore required pairs means one number pair. If x is 5, so then x plus 2 7, one pair, and second pair x7 also possible. x7 x plus 2 is 9. The answer. So required pair answer 5, 7 and 7, 9 are possible according to this condition. So important question. Okay. Next question. Yes, beta. Next question. Question number 24. Question 24 from NCERT book. Exercise 5.1. Question 24 is find all pair of positive, even positive integer. No, even positive integer. Let even positive integer. Let even positive. Let even positive integer be x. अब ये इवन है, सो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव consecutive even equal x इवन में भी वही 2 ऐड होगा एवरी कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इवन। जैसे इवन मान लीजिए 12 है तो नेक्स्ट इवन 14, नेक्स्ट इवन 16, नेक्स्ट इवन 18। तो एवरी इवन कॉन्जिक्यूटिव हैविंग द सम ऑफ द दैट नंबर विद 2 यानी इंक्रीज बाय 2, इंक्रीज बाय 2। देन according to question this that okay so two positive even consecutive integers saying that what question number 24 both of which are larger than 5 according to question both larger than 5 x also greater than 5 and both and x plus 2 also greater than 5 okay beta so x greater than 5 it means x greater than 5 minus 2 3 x greater than 3 और यहाँ से क्या बनता है बेटा x greater than 5 तो कॉमन greater than 5 and greater than 3 कॉमन तो 5 से ग्रेटर एंड 3 से ग्रेटर तो कॉमन कौन सा है ग्रेटर देन 5। जैसे नंबर लाइन पे यहाँ कहीं 3 है यहाँ कहीं 5 है तो ग्रेटर देन 5 इधर हो गए और ग्रेटर देन 3 ये हो गए यहाँ से ठीक है। तो ये कॉमन क्या हो गया ग्रेटर देन 5 इज कॉमन बिकॉज़ ये तो कॉमन भी है इस सॉल्यूशन में। तो एंड मींस कॉमन, एंड मींस कॉमन यू हैव टू टेक। So this implies what is the meaning of that? The x value greater than 5. ये final x greater than 5. यहाँ से x greater than 5 आ गया इक्वेशन 1 ठीक है बेटा। Now second condition okay and according to question what is saying and their sum is less than 23. Their sum means x plus 2 their sum less than 23 this saying sum less than 23 okay find that consecutive positive even integers pair okay now simplify this second condition 2x less than 23 minus 2 21 then x less than 21 divided by 2 21 divided by 2 means 10.5 okay so value of this x even great less than 10.5 less than 10.5 this implies x की वैल्यू यहाँ क्या बन गई less than 10.5 less than 10.5 so less than 10.5 what is the even less than 10.5 even number 10 less than this 10 means 8 means 6 means 4 or 2 less than these are the possible values of x okay and here greater than 5 means x greater than 5 even 6 8 10 and so on so equation number 1 equation number 2 so from 1 and 2 from 1 and 2 what is common 2 4 6 8 10 up to 10 ये 6 से onward 10 के बाद 12 14 all are there but here last 10 so common 6 8 10 6 8 10 so 6 8 10 so x value possible 6, 8, 10. Okay? Because here greater than 5. Okay? Greater than 5, greater than 3. So greater than 5 is common in both. So this. So therefore required care इवन नंबर के पेयर क्या बनेगा x6 है तो ये 8 हो गया दूसरा पेयर ये 8 है तो ये कितना हो गया 10 हो गया नेक्स्ट पेयर अगर ये 10 है x10 पॉसिबल है तो ये 12 हो गया ओके तो इनका सम देख लो 10 plus 12 22 condition 22 less than 23 okay so these three pairs are possible answer according to the question okay done so now you like share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact okay they will get the benefit okay and guide them they must subscribe the channel to get the next notification with them automatically and they will get the benefit to watch the last videos of all the chapter 1 2 3 4 5 all chapters all exercise and CRT solution they will get with their device okay and send the feedback in the comment box thank you